Welcome back, and now news from sports. Shadab Jakati is hungry and looking forward to leading Goa in the Ranji Trophy after missing the last season due to finger injury. The ace left-arm spinner will captain the state team in Ranji season beginning from Friday's opening game against Jammu and Kashmir. Shadab is excited with coach Dora Ganesh and the boys raring to go and open the campaign on a winning note.
It's really good to see Shadab Jakati completely fit, completely recovered from that finger injury horror, we can say. Shadab really excited and very hungry to go out there and play the Ranji Trophy.
Definitely, I'm looking forward for this season. Actually, it was disappointing missing out on the last year, but yeah, things are looking good. I've started bowled in the practice games, about 30 overs, felt good. So yeah, I'm getting it there, feeling nice.
So new coach this time, I mean, not entirely new. When he was there and you were there, Goa had made it to semis of plate group. So the dressing room feeling confident that Dodda can take you all back to that position.
Obviously, everyone is looking good. We have been training very hard. The practice games, match simulation matches, the training has been, having purpose practice, and also he's been working hard with the boys. Doda has been with us before, and he has brought a lot of good results to the team, and hopefully, we can repeat it this year as well. And obviously, everyone is, aware of their own jobs in the team. So that's what we are working on it, and hopefully, we can deliver on the field this year.
It's a long season, 8 games to play, so at some point in time fitness is going to be a really key aspect. So how's the entire bunch working on fitness?
Yeah, that's a important thing, fitness, because we'll be playing 8 games. That is like 32 days in the span of just 45-50 days, and plus we're going to be traveling and all. So that is one area, where we are more concerned about, especially with the bowlers. And but they have been working hard in the pre-season. Those couple of months they have really worked hard in the gym with the training, and Doda has had specifically had that training programs for the bowlers, for the batsmen, everything. So everyone is looking good. The support staff has been helping a lot to the players. The overall the whole team is really looking good.
And 2 new recruits, professional recruits in Manvinder Bisla and Ravikant Shukla, both could be very key players for Goa, isn't it?
Definitely, we have strengthened our batting. That batting has been concerned before for our team. So hopefully we have, planned this year and, made the batting very tough and good for the team. And especially with their experience, Shukla has played for UP, and with Bisla coming in, obviously, there'll be a lot of experience coming. And so it's a good combination of the team. And definitely, if we can put it on the field, give our good efforts and give your best, things will fall in place.
You'll be playing first match at home, so a winning start would be the perfect thing for all of you.
Definitely, we'll be looking to win the game. Obviously, Jammu has lost the first game to Jharkhand, and it'll be nice to start on a winning note, and that's how we are preparing ourselves, that we'll be entering on the ground on a winning note. So definitely, we'll be looking to win the match, yeah.
Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Omkar Falari from Porvorim.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa, or meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.